Hey everyone, I'm Ross from Tait Real Estate. Welcome to Thirsty Thursdays.
And I'm Jamie, and today we're going to make some Tennessee lemonade. First step you're going to do, get a nice little plate, put some sugar on it. Then you're going to take a cut lemon, put it around the rim of the glass to get it a little bit moist.
Very shishi poo poo.
Put a little sugar around it. Pass it off to Ross.
Okay. So what are we putting in this?
So this is a whiskey-based honey liqueur.
Okay. Then we're going to top it up with some lemonade. That's a stiff one.
That's okay.
Okay. And then we have some lemon to garnish it with.
Perfect.
It is a big lemon chunk.
There we go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Okay. That's got a lot of honey in it too.
Very sweet.
I guess that's why they call it honey.